That's good dancing, Camille. You want Andrew to dance with Daddy? Why don't you do a dance with Andrew, Camille? Yeah. Yay, buddy. We're going to get Camille dancing. I still got your head clipped off. I can't get your head and her feet in. Very good, Camille.
Camille's doing the robot.
She is. Andrew, are you dancing? You stomp that foot. What? Oh, the song's over. It's time for bath.
Oh, wait, one more.
One more kitchen dancing song. Look. Look at Camille. Look at Camille. I hope you know this is getting YouTubed. Your head or her feet. Andrew. Whoa. Oh, Andrew. Whoa. Not really good angle here. Oh, I'm getting used. Okay. Andrew, can you do some dance? There you go. Yeah. You don't need anything up there. Andrew, get out of the spices. It is baby food. Can y'all blow me a kiss? Blow kisses. Bye-bye. Blow mama a kiss. Bye-bye. Can you take a curtsy? Do your curtsy.
There you go.
Do your curtsy, Camille. Says good curtsy. Good curtsy. Now take a bow. Very good. Patty, take a bow. Andrew.